kwa wale ambao wanakuja katika hiyo hospitali.
Sirikand kaunti ma Kisii ochako chenro mar KOP ne gwenge ma osebedo kod midhiero mar duono mar pi. Gavana ma Kisii Mbarati kane oloso seche mane oyawo ayanga chenro mar KOP e gwenge ma Kiogoro, Nyaribari Chache, notiyo kod thuolono e siemo ji ma tiyo kod yore ma ok owinjore e KOP e kaunti ma Kisii. Chenro no geto chopo ne jodak maromo 2,000 e gwenge mag Menyinkwa, Otamba, Kiogoro, Nyabuto kod Amariba.
This program is the last mile connectivity effort for the benefit of the residents of this area, courtesy of the county government of Kisii through the Kisii Water and Sanitation Company. I will not condone endless complaints from residents over water shortage and the sewerage overflow in Kisii municipality and its involved due to inefficiency. I've seen the new team, Madam Lucy, you put in place. No shortcut. We need service, period.
Today we are happy because also the county government, through your support, has been and has given us a hand in support of this project. And we want to sincerely thank you. We also want to sincerely thank all our stakeholders who have also supported us as a water service provider, so that we are able to achieve the mandate of Kisii Water and Sanitation Company.
Kwa county government of Kisii ni kwamba mkituhitaji tafadhali mtuhusishe, na tuko tayari kushirikiana na nyinyi kuhakikisha kwamba huduma zinawafikia wananchi.